Hello and welcome back to my another video, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make a custom URL for your YouTube channel. So every time when you just share your profile, the URL is just too much complicated with thousands of words, maybe not thousands of words, but there's a couple of words we cannot remember, just like XYDB, YT, DTT and whatever. This is looking ugly and it's really totally unrememberable. So today I'm going to show you how to make a custom URL so you can share your profile, YouTube profile or YouTube channel with someone that are just like youtube.com/c/ whatever your channel's name is. So it's a short term, but it's also remember, you can easily remember, everyone can easily remember that this is your channel. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. And what you have to do is just go open the Chrome browser and then go to YouTube, and then we just find YouTube, go to your channels. This is my channel. So what you have to do is just go to YouTube Studio Beta. Okay, so this is Studio Beta. Just look down here, just you will find the Create a Classic Studio. So and then these options are really pathetic, but I prefer to check this one, first one, a specific feature I need to use is missing. Okay, and submit it, and this page will redirect to the classic version of the Studio Beta. So there we go. And when you just comes to this page, just once again click on the YouTube channels icon, and you will find the YouTube setting up here. Click on it, and then you will find the advanced setting up here. And when you just find the advanced setting, you can also customize your URL, just like I have already customized my URL, custom URL, just like this: http://www.youtube.com/c/darkreaction. So when you just click it, you will redirect it to my YouTube channel. So when you just find this option, but before you do any kind of changes, I want to remind you that you have to at least 100 subscribers and a 30-day-old channel. Yes, you must have 100 subscribers and 30-day-old channel. So I have 100+ subscribers and I was a 30 days old channel, so I was able to change my URL to my custom URL. But when you just visit the page, you will find this kind of option up here. So there we go, this is your YouTube channel's profile. So when you just click on it, custom URL, and then you will find options like this. So there's two options also that YouTube suggests you to just name as whatever your channel's name is. If you for example, in this picture, this is about flowers. So the YouTube's will suggest you to youtube.com/c/about-flower. But if you want to customize the much more bigger or maybe something else, so you can also look at here. Don't like this URL, just request a different one. So when you click it, the new window will open, and you can type whatever you want to write it down, just like this, plus about flowers, or maybe you can add a number, just like about flowers 99, about flowers 96, or whichever you want. You add your birth date or something else. So when you just done it, just have to click agree to term and services. So check this and change the URL, and do not close the window until it applies the whole setting. So it will take maybe 10 or 12 seconds. Just when I just did it, it will also took about 15 seconds for me, but my network strength was so laggy and so slow. So maybe it could take about 15 seconds maximum. So when you're done, you can close the window, open your YouTube. Let me show you. So there we go. So you have to do youtube.com/c/ my channel's name is Dark Reaction, so Dark Reaction, and press the enter button, and there you can see this is customized channel. So there is nothing else you can do it simply.
And give me likes and
so it is also nice to share with someone, because this is remember and easy to remember this channel, and it looks pretty good, so it's look professional. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you think that this information is good for you and you like it, so please subscribe my channel for new stuff and hit the bell icon, so you can get every time when I release my another video about twigs and all the gadgets, or maybe some more information about tech, so you can get firstly notification. So thank you so much and stay tuned.